What's going on, everybody? This is Brian from the Merch Empire, and today we're doing a special product review by 3 little girls. Show you guys how this particular product works. Perfect for kids. You can hear them in the background. They're just kind of going crazy, ready to bang this out. There they are, see? They're doing the dress rehearsals. So right now I'm just waiting. They're putting on their outfits, putting on their makeup, practicing their lines. Okay, what's your name?
Kaden, Breeze, and Galia.
What's your name?
Crystal and Star Jana Banyan.
What about you?
My Nana.
Okay, and are you guys ready to do a product review?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to the door. So now that we're in the car, we got all the girls, all the models in the car. We're gonna be reviewing this right here. This is a seatbelt pillow. Now, what do you think of this, Kaden?
I think I love this pillow, and there's the sun light shining up to the sky.
How about you?
I think it's for sleeping.
It's for sleeping?
Yeah.
Can you put it on? Go put it around you. Around.
Oh.
Go underneath it. Underneath it. There you go. Now put it on your neck. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? You like it? Would you buy it? Would you tell your parents to buy it? Yeah?
No. It makes me go sleep.
It makes you go to sleep? Do you want to go to sleep now?
No.
How do you sleep on the pillow?
You
How about
sleep
you?
like this.
How about you? How do you sleep on the pillow? All the way there?
No, like this. I sleep like this.
Oh, you sleep like that? What else do you guys think? You guys have any other things you guys want to say?
No.
Huh?
We want to go out the park.
Okay, say welcome
Welcome.
to the Merch Empire.
Empire.
Say welcome to the Merch Empire.
Welcome to
To the Merch Empire.
Welcome to the Merch Empire.
Oh, good job. How about you? Say welcome.
Welcome to the Merch Empire.
Yeah, Merch. How about you?
The Merch Empire.
Perfect. Come on. Can I sit down, please?
No.
All right.
We can't.
So, what do you guys think of the pillow? Stop beating me up. Okay, if you guys don't use this for seatbelts, you know what you guys can use it for? If you guys don't want to use it for seatbelts, this is what you use it for. Come here. Impossible. Come here. All right, here. All right, I'm gonna give you guys ice cream if you guys listen. All right, ice cream, okay? So, what do you guys think of this?
Awesome. It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's soft. Yeah,
It's soft.
Good and it's soft, and you can sleep on it. You can play with it. I'm hot.
So,
I'm hot.
what do you think? What do you think of this?
I think it's soft and like cushion, like a pillow, like a big pillow.
It's what?
It's like a big pillow.
It's like a big pillow, huh?
Yeah.
When do you use it?
When it's nighttime, you use it.
At nighttime. How about you? When do you want to use it?
In the morning, so I can take a nap.
In the morning? You want to use?
Take a nap.
Okay.
So I made a poopy.
All right. Well,
I can't be poopy.
there goes my product review. If you guys want to pick one of these up, if they want to buy one of those, where do they go? What website? TheMerchEmpire.com.
The merch
So if you guys want to pick one of these up, stop. If you guys want to buy one of these items, go to themerchempire.com. See ya.